Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars. Before we get started, I just want to thank you guys joining the Patreon. Brett, Nathan, Rome, Bob, Johnny, Jonathan, Rocco, Sam, Jetor, and Lear. You guys are awesome. We are making money in the Patreon. One of you guys just turned 2.5K into $41,000. Congratulations, that is a major gain. I am uploading a video. Don't mind that. Let's get straight into the coins, my friends. Straight into Elon. Oh, what a wonderful song. What a wonderful song. Oh, look at this wonderful pump. Exactly what we want to see. Big green candle on the daily charts. And the day just started. Not really. I just woke up because I've been up till 4 a.m. watching this chart. Boom. Big green candle. Overbearing. Previous resistance. Exactly what we want to see. Now we have seen in the overall market. Let's just bring up BTC. We've seen a little support level hold, which is good. It is good right here. We saw it come down and touch the top of this rectangle that we drew the other video. We drew it right around this area. I'm getting these levels from right over here. You see, this is where that the big resistance was when the chart started pushing up after this breakout. So, boom. All right, came down, touched the top of this 55. This 55 is going to be big resistance, or big support. Sorry. And yeah, if we break through this 55 level, then we are heading down even farther. But I don't think that we have to worry about that at this moment. Crypto. Let's look at the Fear and Greed Index. Hopefully it is extreme fear. That would be amazing. Alright, cool. We are in the fear. 2 days ago, we were in the greed. Yesterday, we were in neutral. Today, we are in fear, which is perfect. That's exactly what we want to see because it allows the big whales, the big money, the people who missed the boat to get in on all of the crypto stuff because they don't really know what they're doing. They just want the best price for their money. And they're going to start piling in here soon. So, what we see with DOGELON is extremely nice. It has turned bullish, extremely bullish, and let me tell you why. We have the bullish flag that we broke out of. This is all technical analysis, and yeah, it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. We have the bullish flag that we broke out of, and we are seeming to hold this trend line here. We want to see it hold this trend line in the coming days. And it seems like it's going to. Now, I posted an alert in the Patreon that if we close the daily candle above 1650, it would be an extremely bullish sign. How did I get that? I'll show you guys exactly how I got that. 1650. Look. 1650. That means all this previous resistance has been busted through. And we have seen bullish pressure. We have seen buying power. Look at this beautiful, beautiful chart pattern. This right here is called a bowl. Bowls are extremely, extremely bullish because it shows that the sentiment is changing in this coin. Now, it has been bearish for a little bit. Not even bearish. It has been consolidating in this range for a nice little bit, but it broke out to the upside with major volume. Exactly what we were looking for. Exactly what we got. If you guys have been following the videos, you first averaged in here, then you averaged in here, and you started averaging in here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we use the 1/4 rule here on this channel. That means if you have $1,000, you average in $250 each. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinions from a crypto billionaire. So, these are the levels we need to watch out for. This is what we want to watch out for. If it comes back down, we need to stay along this trend line. Alright? We need to stay around these 16-20 levels. Even, yeah, around the 16s. We don't want to break through those with heavy selling pressure because that means that this was a fake out. Now, if it comes down, touches, and continues to go up, that's fine. If we see a big green candle, this is ideal. If we see a big green candle busting through this, I'll show you exactly. Busting through this 19 to 1810 level. How did I get that? You go back to this previous resistance. You also go to this previous resistance, and then yeah, they both have volume. That is how you get levels, and we'll go over all of that. So this is what we want to see. This is what the perfect scenario. We see this 50%, right? The next 4 hourly candle is another big green candle matching this one, right? That is called a 3-bar play. So it will look somewhat like this. It would go up to about that area, around this 1867 level. And, what the heck? Okay, yeah. And then after we see that big green candle move up to here, what we would want to see is another green candle with no red selling pressure busting through this 20 level, all right? Not even 20, but through this next resistance level, this 1930s, all right? That is the most bullish sign in DOGELON Mars at the moment. If we see that, we are busting through. The markets are going to keep going up. It has found support. So that's what we're looking for at this moment. To make it simplified, because that's what we're about here. A lot of you guys don't know technical analysis, and that is completely fine, because I'll simplify it down for you guys and make it super easy. So, to recap, we want to see this next green candle come up to this 1865 level and close. And that's on the 4 hourly chart. After that, we would like to see another green candle, so in 8 hours from now, busting through this 1917 level and then closing above it. That will be confirmation that we are going to continue to move to the upside, which is perfect. The next resistance level we have after that would be right here. All right. That's what we need to. Next resistance level, once we break through the 20s, big psychological barrier. I think we're going to do it quite simply because the market sentiment is changing. We are going to start heading back into greed here within the next couple weeks, next couple days even maybe. So that's what we want to look forward to the upside. To the downside, let me recap again. In order for it to continue to look bullish, it needs to come down, base around the 16 level, and then push higher. All right, that's what we want to see. Is new support around the 16 level, following this trend line. If it breaks this, then I will do another analysis and keep you guys updated. Now, I could go over all the potential outcomes of this, but what we want to look for is this next green candle moving up to the 1850 level, closing, then another green candle pushing even higher. Now, if it shows selling if it shows selling pressure here, that's fine. All right, as long as we close above it, that is bullish. If we close below it, that means we're most likely going to come back down to this trend line, test it before we break out again. All right, you guys hear that? Sounds good. This is DOGELON Mars in-depth daily technical analysis by Crypto Billionaire 69. If you guys don't want to watch the charts, if you guys don't really know what you're doing in technical analysis, then check out the Patreon. We post A1 information in there, and yeah, guys, you'll learn while you earn. That's what I like to call it. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Listen to some Mozart while you're driving to work or going to the grocery store. It makes you smarter, guys. Allows you to read the charts even better. Peace!